So here we have our mushrooms stored in this paper bag that's folded over in the main compartment of the fridge, not in the crisper drawer or on the door or anything, just in the main compartment. And we're gonna go ahead and take that out and get these mushrooms prepped for cooking. And here we have some shiitake mushrooms. I'm gonna take them out of the bag. And to prep them for cooking, we first want to remove the very woody, fibrous stem that we can't eat. So I'm gonna use a little paring knife to just cut that out. Help me remove it. So, and then you can either use a damp cloth to rub the dirt from the top, or you can run it under a gentle stream of cold water right before you're ready to use the mushrooms.